What are your digital PR tips for businesses who have an intangible offering?
Oh, that's a good question. I think when it comes to digital PR, a lot of the campaigns we do don't always have to be product focused. As long as there is a degree of relevance in what you're doing. So, for example, if I was going to do a campaign for a company that offered computer software or cybersecurity software, it doesn't mean that every campaign I did had to be rigidly about the cybersecurity products or services that they offered. All it means is that it gives me sort of a wider net of topics to go with. So it could be about tech, it could be about privacy, it could be about data, it could be about business, it could be about social media, it could be about the other side of what them things are, if that makes sense. I think what needs to be considered is that whilst if you can do a really successful PR campaign that is really relevant to what your client does, great, but you can still drive relevant links from a campaign that might seem slightly away from what their service offering actually is.